Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce another valuable course to you. Prometheus Masterclass is a complete training on infrastructure monitoring and alerting, from beginner to advanced level. You will learn hands-on Prometheus, Grafana, push gateway, custom exporter creation, and AWS monitoring. This course is ideal for DevOps engineers and anyone interested in professional system monitoring. With around 20,000 students and a rating of 4.6, this is a successful and practical course. Its current price is approximately €12. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and benefit from future updates. The course includes several hours of content, 5 related articles, and a certificate upon completion. In this course, you will learn full in and out of Prometheus toolkit with proper hands-on examples from scratch. Start with the implementation of Prometheus core concepts architecture, installation, PromQL, exporters, functions, operators, etc. Using Grafana to visualize Prometheus metrics. Create custom metrics from complicated queries and save them as recording rules. Push gateway, service discovery, recording rules, routing trees, create custom exporter, HTTP API, and many more. Now I want to offer you this amazing course completely free and legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Then open your browser and search for discountedcourseninja.com on Google. From the results shown, click on the link. Make sure the website address matches what is shown here and you will be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you'll land on the homepage of the site. On this site, you can access various discount coupons for courses. Use the search bar to find the course you're looking for. You can also browse by category to find your preferred topics. Here you will find our featured course. To get the discount coupon, scroll down and click the button. Get the coupon. The course will now be available to you for free. Note that the coupon has a time limit. With just a few clicks, you've gained legal and free access to this course. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.